Hey you guys, it's your girl Vijaya, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a recipe that you guys have been requesting for what feels like years now, and that's my recipe for homemade paneer. Paneer is Indian cottage cheese and it's very similar to ricotta. It's firm, it's creamy, and it really only takes 2 ingredients to make. It's super easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how. But before we get started, don't forget to hit me up on my social media channels. You guys know how much I love that. And of course, if you're looking for the full recipe, just click that info box down below and everything you need is there. Let's make some cheese. So to make cheese, you're gonna need some milk, actually a lot of milk, and today we're using whole milk, which is really important. It lends for a creamier cheese at the end of the day, and we're gonna pour it into this pot. And our second ingredient is lemon, and lemon is what's gonna cause our milk to curdle to form our cheese, and we need about 4 tablespoons. So now we're going to take it to the stove. So I'm going to put my milk on medium-high heat and stir consistently until it comes to a boil. It's really important to stir to make sure nothing gets caught at the bottom. And then once it's come to the boil, I'm going to turn off the heat, add my lemon juice, and stir quickly. The curds of the cheese will separate from the whey, which is this sort of greenish-yellow liquid. And then immediately after, I'm going to pour some cold water in to stop the cooking process. Now I have a colander that I've lined with 4 layers of cheesecloth. I'm going to pour my curds into the cheesecloth and then pull it all together and push out as much liquid as I can with my hands. Then I'm going to tie it to my kitchen faucet and let it hang for about 30 minutes. So my paneer has hung for 30 minutes. The majority of the liquid has sort of escaped through the cheesecloth, but there's about 10% left, and we want the paneer to set so that it's nice and firm. So I have a plate here. I'm going to place my paneer on the plate with this little dangly bit on the side because you don't want that to ruin the shape of it. Then I'm going to take a pan like this, place it over the top, and you want to weight it down. So now's the time to get your canned vegetables, your canned beans, your almond butter, your coconut milk, that's what I'm using today, and weigh it down so that it's nice and heavy, like so. And now is the time where you're gonna just walk away. You're gonna let this hang for about 1 hour, and after 1 hour, you'll see that a little bit of that whey will have collected on the plate. That's that excess moisture leaving the paneer, and then it's set and ready to go. So my paneer has had a chance to set for 1 hour and it's ready, so I'm gonna remove the weight. And you can see that there's like a little bit, not too much, but a little bit of moisture left on the plate. And now it's time to unveil. And you just wanna gently peel back the cheesecloth. Oh my gosh, look at that, it's crazy. We made our very own homemade cheese. And then flip it onto your hand like this. Wow, look at that. So at this point, what I would recommend is for you to put this in an airtight container and keep it in the fridge for it to set up even more so that it makes it easier to cut. But you guys know me, I want to tuck into this right away, so we're going to give it a slice and give it a taste. Oh, and it slices so easily. Wow. All right, let's take a look. Oh, wow, look at that cube of paneer. If that isn't the most perfect cube of paneer, I don't know what is. It's really soft and tender. Let's give it a bite. Guys, the difference between homemade paneer versus store-bought is huge. This paneer that I've made just now is unctuous, it's creamy, it literally melts in your mouth compared to the stuff that you get in the store, which is hard as a block, and that milkiness really comes through. So the next time you want to make one of my paneer dishes at home, be sure to start off with my homemade paneer. Sure, it takes a couple of hours of sitting time, but the preparation only takes 10 minutes and it's so worth it. You're left with a firm, creamy cheese that is like no other, and a little extra effort. Everyone's gonna love you for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give me a big ol' thumbs up. You know how that makes me feel. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe for more videos. And as always, if you have a question, comment, or request, leave it in the comments box down below. Until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye.